Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Learjet A250. This is out of a 74 Jensen Interceptor. It comes from my friends at Seva Corporation in Malibu, California, and they've requested the basic internal conversion. Radio is already AM-FM, so it's just a conversion, and it's going to have a heck of a lot more output power because the customer went with a new harness in place of the original connectors. So this is going to be a much more powerful radio, and he's also requested the Bluetooth function. So a couple things I'll say about this. This radio arrived in less than perfect shape. The on-off switch is bad. It only makes contact once in a great while. I tried cleaning it to no avail. It's sealed. So this is the new on-off switch, the rightmost button, and it's actually a little bit easier to use because this is a push-on. This was a push-on, push-off switch, and you couldn't tell by looking at it whether it was turned on or not. So with this switch, it's pressed in when it's turned on and it's out when it's turned off. So let's go ahead and demonstrate all the functions and stuff. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I receive, so we can test the balance and fader functions during talk radio. So let's turn it on.
Statewide offsetting Dane County.
Dane County is
where University of Wisconsin-Madison is.
Okay.
Charlie knows this well. You know this well because we spent so much time there.
Original balance control.
We saw a double-digit shift
left
to the right.
Right.
Which we've covered on your show
Left.
many times now. But
Right.
that's the big question mark. Right now,
Center.
Brett is exactly right. We're feeling really good because of the leadership of guys like Terry.
Okay, and
the
now we
work
also
that's been
have
done.
a virtual
Waukesha
front rear
and
fader. It's in the
around
tone control,
Milwaukee.
and we activate that by, first we're going to turn the tone control to roughly the center position, and then we're going to give it 2 quick turns to the right to activate the front rear fader. Let's try
right
that.
now by not just our team.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
Dive in
all the way front.
and keep reiterating.
Rear.
Turnout must be big in
Front.
western Wisconsin.
Rear.
It must be big.
Alrighty,
Just putting on my national committeeman hat.
Fader
fader
set.
set. Okay,
And
let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Congressman Van Orden.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM. We're just going to press the FM switch, and I don't have the right knob, so I have to change knobs here. Okay. Okay, now we're on FM, and we'll just tune in a few stations.
Ride my pony on a cattle drive.
Time of blessings coming to me.
Plumbing service. Do a top to bottom
Okay,
review.
so you get the idea. So now let's try the 8-track.
A running toilet is known as
Waste no time. I related to old King when your flags are unfurled. No, don't you hear the Humpty Dumpty mother?
Okay, it's a good time to eject it.
Overdose if they
And there
use
we go.
opioids. Are
Eject
you
the tape,
prepared?
radio comes
Consider
back.
making
Let's make sure the
non-prescription
dial lights
naloxone
come on.
nasal
You
spray
can't
a
see
part of
them,
your
but
workplace
I
first aid
can.
kit. Naloxone reverses
Yep, you
an
can just
opioid
see it
overdose
coming on and off
saves
through that
lives.
opening right there.
Maintain workplace safety. Offer
There's
training
one on the right
and
side,
always
too.
call 911 for a suspected
Okay.
overdose. Visit naloxoneaz.com.
Okay, turn it off, and that takes care of that. So, she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me to ask about my options and prices and turn times, because that's all ready in the work order, and you can get that information as you're filling it out. That's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, which, as my business grows, I need to be on the bench more and on the phone less. So if you could just please do that research before calling me, that'd be fantastic. So thanks to my friends at Seva Corporation in Malibu, California for your business, and thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.